everyone, my name is Aryav Thomas and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be doing some more French. I'm going to be teaching you how to create a dance floor and a dance party. So this won't be that advanced, you can do it at your house. So what I want to do is I want to add a background which looks like a dance floor, and I want to change my sprite. Right now I don't want this cat, as if you can see in the costume it only has two costumes and none of them are dancing. So let's just delete the sprite. Now first I'm going to be adding my backdrop. So in order to access your backdrops, you have to click this stage over here. I'm doing it online. Now what I want to do is I want to go to backdrops and I want to add. I want to choose a backdrop directly from here. Now I'm just going to quickly search dance. Let's see what comes. This looks like a good dance floor. As you can see here, the dance floor has become here, has changed. Now I don't want this plain white background, so I quickly delete it. I only want the background to look like this, and I don't want to change anything else, so I'm not going to be adding any code. Let's just add a sprite now. Now we need a sprite which has more than three or more different costumes, and all of them are dancing. So in order to find if a sprite is dancing, you just hover over it. As you can see, there's no movement here, so we can't choose this. Here it's moving. Let's just see. If I go here and put dance, I've got all the dancing sprites. One is over here, so let's choose this. And now we will add one more. So if I again search dance, we can choose this sprite. Now we've got two different dancers on a stage, and if we go to the costumes tab, we can see that they have lots of costumes. This one has 13 with all different dance costumes, and this one has 4 with different dance costumes. So we can mix and match this to make it look good. Now I want this sprite to move to x minus 143 and y 4. So I'm going to go to events, then green flag clicked, motion, go to, as you can see, this is the place I want it to be. So I will make it go to x minus 143 and y4. It's already set over here, and I also want the size to be a bit more smaller. Let's say if this is 100%, if this size is 100%, I want it to be at least 60%. So I'm going to go to looks, set size to 100% right now. So let's quickly make it 60. However, if I put it after go to X, we'll see what will happen. The problem with this is that it is at the start it is showing the person when he is big. So I want this size to go to here. Now it's continuing like this. Now we want to move this dancer. So let's say we want to move her over here. X 150 and Y 12. We'll go to events, when green flag clicked, motion, go to x150, go to x150 by 12 and look, set size to 60%. But this is 100% and it was smaller than his 100%. So let's just change it to 80% and we'll see how small they are now. Now this is perfect. But I want a different costume to show. So let's check her costume. This is the good costume and the name is Cassie 8. So if I go here, I'll switch costume. At the start, I will put switch costume to Cassie 8. Let's try it out. Over here you can see that he is in this costume. Now I will change this guy's costume too. I like this. So what is the name? 1080 top R step. Now we're going to learn how to switch costume. Now that we've finished with this one here, I've even removed the first the switch costume to the first one. So I've removed that, and what I've done is I've just kept these two code and kept the vent flag clicked. So this is the code that is done for now. What we are going to do is we're going to create another code over here. We have to remember to put vent flag clicked. Then we will go to look, switch costume to 1080 top R step, switch costume to 1080 top L step, switch costume to 1080 top freeze, and I want him to wait for 1 second before he goes to the next costume or the next step. So the wait one will be here. Wait 1 second, wait another time, and wait 1 second. I want this to repeat 3 times, so I will take a repeat code here and put 3. I will move this to be more organized. As you can see, he's continuing this, and this is just what we want. 3 times and then he just stops it. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing here, and then I will show you what I've done so far. Welcome back, guys. So now, as you can see here, I have added the code to these 2 dancers. Let's check this out. Alright, so as you can see now it is working, but I think something is missing here. Even though they are moving, they are dancing, they are only on one spot. Let's move them a bit. So next, I want this guy to come here, and I want this girl to move here, and then I want him to again be here, and I want this girl to move here, and then he will move back here, and then this girl will also be back here. So now let's first check the dimensions. I'm going to remove this extra vent flag clicked, and I'm directly going to put this here. Now I'm going to go to x minus 18, y minus 71. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make this repeat one more time. So if I quickly go here and then I choose this, I duplicate it. As you can see, we've got 2 of this. Now I'm putting this back here, and I will put this here. Let's see what happens. Does he move? Will he finish this 3 times? and next he will move here. See, he's moved here. He will again repeat it 3 times. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep on continuing this until all of the dancers have moved everywhere. Alright guys, now I have finished these 2 codes, and now let's test this out. Once we finish dancing, they will move to this side, and then it will keep on going on again till they have completed a whole circle. But I think one thing that's missing here is the fact that once they finish one circle, they just stop. I want them to repeat it 2 times, so I will put a repeat thing. The thing is, you don't have to put in your code again. You can just go here and everything will be repeated. Now I want it to be repeated 2 times. So this will be going on 2 times. Same thing with this. Repeat 2. Alright, so now that we're done with this, we are missing something which is really needed. It is music. You can take this song or this song.
Hey!
Or you can choose a sound by yourself. So let's go to dance. Okay, so I'm going to be choosing this one, which you already have here. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to be playing it. Let's try to use a forever loop. We don't want this to be. Okay, so then since a forever loop will not allow anything to go after it, so we're going to have to add the forever loop, and then in events we will when flag linked. So it messes up. The reason why that is happening is because we are using start sound. What we want is play some dance element until it's done. It'll keep on playing it until it's done.
Hey!
See, it's continuing itself. And there you have it, guys. This is how you will be able to find out how to create a dance party. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be sharing it to all of you, and I'll be posting the link in the description. So you will be able to see the code for this and therefore know what to do. Alright guys, that's all I have to say today. There are many things you can do with this. Not only you can add more characters, or you can do or you can even change backgrounds. But this is all I can show you. The rest is up to what you want to do with your project. Anyways, goodbye, and I will see you later.